Hey, USA Hustlers! If you have got a PayPal account, you already hold the key to daily online income. Today, I will show you 3 PayPal hacks that can put $100 or more directly into your account fast, simple, and legit. Hack number 1, PayPal invoicing. Whether you are offering a service, selling a digital file, or charging for consulting, you can send professional invoices right from PayPal. Clients pay instantly, and the money lands in your account. No waiting, no middlemen. Hack number 2, PayPal buttons. These are custom payment links you can drop anywhere. Emails, social media, even a simple landing page. Share the link and boom, people pay you directly. Perfect for selling ebooks, templates, or one-time coaching sessions. Hack number 3, PayPal subscriptions. Set up recurring payments for memberships, courses, or premium content. Imagine charging $10 a month for exclusive tips. With just 100 subscribers, that's $1,000 flowing into your PayPal every single month.